Chapter 1: Our India, an Overview. Land, Climate and I. How we live, how we dress, what we eat, and how we behave. All these much depend on the land and climate in which we live. The lifestyle of a person living in hills is different from that of a person living in plains or deserts. Hot and cold also determine the way we dress. So, land and climate play a vital role in our life. We live in India. We also know our country as Bharat and Hindustan. It is a vast country in terms of size and is the seventh largest country in the world. It lies in the continent of Asia. Its area is 32,87,263 square kilometers. Lengthwise, it is 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Its boundaries are both land and sea. Its land frontiers measure 15,200 kilometers and its coastline is 7,516 kilometers. These boundaries comprise those of both mainland and islands. India shares its borders with several countries: Nepal, Bhutan, and China to the north, Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east, and Sri Lanka to the south. India's territory is divided into 28 states, 8 union territories, and a national capital territory of Delhi, NCT of Delhi. In the world, India is the second largest country in terms of population. As per the census of India, India's population stood at over 121 crore in 2011. At present, it is more than 132 crore. We find a variety in India's land features. There are high mountains in the north, ranging from the northwest to the northeast. To the south of the mountains lie the vast plains. In the middle, there are vast plateaus. Along the sea coast on both sides, there are narrow coastal plains. There is a great desert to the west. Besides, there are groups of islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Owing to this variety in land features, we find different types of climates in India. Due to snow-capped mountains, there is much cold in the hills. The plains have an extreme climate, that is, they are cold in winters and hot in summers. The climate in South India is mostly moderate, that is, it is neither very cold nor very hot. Rainfall in India is mainly brought by the monsoon winds. They rise from the Indian Ocean and sweep over India. They strike the mountains and revert to bring rainfall to North India. Know it, Telangana is the newest state to be formed in India. It was formed by dividing the state of Andhra Pradesh into two. Important terms: Union Territory. A territory administered by the Union, central government. Census, the process of counting population every 10 years. Extreme climate, a very hot or very cold climate. Moderate climate, a climate that is neither very hot nor very cold. Monsoon, the winds that bring rainfall to India. Important facts: India is the seventh largest country in terms of land. India's territory is divided into 28 states, 8 union territories, and an NCT of Delhi. India is the second largest country in terms of population. India's land features include mountains, plains, plateaus, coastal plains, deserts, and islands. The monsoon winds rise from the Indian Ocean and bring rainfall to India.